Transfer a call blind. To transfer a call using the blind method, you must press the button with the three-dot icon. When you press this button, it will display the following image. You must click the transfer option. In the search space, you can enter the name of a Microsoft Teams user, an extension number, or a telephone number. In the event of transferring to a Microsoft Teams user, the call will not be made through CallMyWay. Therefore, there will be not record about it. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.